Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on regrowing celery from kitchen scraps. This easy and sustainable method allows you to recycle food waste and enjoy fresh celery right at home. Let's get started. Regrowing celery is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces food waste, saves money, and provides a continuous supply of fresh celery. Here's how to regrow celery from a celery base. First, choose the right base. Save the base of your celery stalk, about 2 to 3 inches in length. Next, place the base in a shallow dish of water. Cut side up. Ensure the water covers the bottom of the base. Then, change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. Provide light by placing the dish in a sunny spot. In a few days, you'll see new growth from the center. Lastly, for optional transplanting, once the new leaves are a few inches tall and roots have developed, transplant into soil for continued growth. Use a pot with good drainage and potting soil. Harvesting celery is easy. There are 2 main methods you can use. First, the cut and come again method. Simply use scissors to cut the outer stalks as needed, while leaving the inner stalks to continue growing. Alternatively, for a full harvest, wait until the new celery stalks are fully grown, then cut the entire plant off at the base. To store celery, you have a couple of options. For the first method, refrigerate wrap harvested celery in a damp paper towel and place it in a sealed bag or container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to a week. Secondly, for store in water for short-term storage, place the cut ends of harvested celery in a shallow dish of water in the refrigerator to keep it crisp for a few days. Regrowing celery from kitchen scraps is simple, rewarding, and sustainable. Give it a try and enjoy a continuous supply of fresh celery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!